In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Samsung Soundbar to Sony TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you the main ways in which you will be able to set up and connect a Samsung Soundbar to any Sony TV. So usually there are going to be three main methods to connect your Samsung Soundbar to a Sony TV. You have HDMI, which includes ARC/eARC, optical, and then Bluetooth. So first, I'm gonna start with HDMI. This is the recommended method for the best audio quality and seamless integration. So turn off both your TV and soundbar. Now grab an HDMI to HDMI cable and connect one end into the soundbar and another one into the TV itself. As long as you have one end of the HDMI cable going into the HDMI port on the TV and the other end going into the HDMI in port of the soundbar, you will be able to power them both on and select the correct input source on the TV to match the HDMI port that you use. Now all of the audio being output on the TV will go over to the soundbar instead. Next, you have optical. This is a good alternative if your TV does not have HDMI ARC/eARC. Turn off both devices once again, and then, just like the HDMI cable, plug one end of the optical audio cable into your TV and another one into the optical in port of your soundbar. Turn on both devices and select the correct input source on your TV to match the optical audio input. And once again, just like HDMI, they will be connected. You can lower the volume, increase the volume, etc. With Bluetooth, you will be able to connect them wirelessly, but it might have a slightly lower audio quality and possibly includes latency. Power on both devices. Put the soundbar in pairing mode. This is going to differ for every single model, but usually it is going to be a dedicated Bluetooth button, either on the soundbar itself or the remote. So once you put it into pairing mode, go over to the external audio devices or the settings on your TV, and usually you will be able to choose it there as an external audio device or a Bluetooth device. With the speakers connected, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on the soundbar. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung Soundbar to Sony TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.